We're outside Chepauk and Indian jersey. Which team you are supporting today, sir?
I'm always supporting CSK. The thing is, all 10 franchises are our own country, so I don't keep that bias. But then I am a Dhoni fan from the beginning. I've been watching matches here right from 2008 until now, and even in the future. So I always wear an Indian jersey. My name is Vicky. I'm born and brought up in Chennai, but I support CSK to the core. I always wear a Indian jersey.
What's the problem this time with Chennai Super Kings, if there is a problem?
Definitely, there's a problem. See, we were used to Conway batting up the order all this while. Tripathi and Huda have not been able to do justice to their ability. They are good players. They have played for different franchises and they have performed there. Here they've got chances. Huda got 2 matches. Tripathi got all 3 matches. All 3 failed. And the number of balls that they are consuming in the first 6 overs. Every team that is playing is scoring around 60, 70, 80, even up to 90 in the power play. But Chennai is not able to go above the 30, 40, 50 mark. That is where we are losing the game is the main reason. If they bring up a couple of changes in the batting order, automatically, and with having a strong impact player to bat, say at number 6 or 7, and Dhoni, of course, batting up the order, because all these years we have seen him batting at 5, 6 or 7, not at 9. Seeing him bat after Ashwin was really disappointing as a fan. If at all he has decided to retire, that nobody knows, because he does things suddenly. Even for a test match, one fine day he had put up a tweet saying that I'm retiring from 7:27 p.m. tonight. So if he is retiring this year, assuming, he can always pad up and go one down. Nobody is going to stop him. Even though Ruturaj is the captain or we have Fleming as the coach, nobody is going to say no to Dhoni if he decides to do something. For the fans, for the ones who we have loved him from the beginning, playing for Team India and playing for CSK, he can just pad up, go bat one down. If he is able to score 35, 40 runs batting at number 9, if he gets 80 or 90 balls to bat, I'm sure he can even score a century. Age is not a number for him. Fitness is not a number for him. He is the same what he was. He can compete with any youngster. I still believe that. We still firmly believe that. You see this crowd. The maximum crowd is coming for that one man, but they also love the franchise. Only thing that is going wrong is people are praying for our own wickets to fall just to see him bat. Let me throw light on this. We are true cricket fans. We are not here for the DJ. We are not here to pray for our own wickets to fall, for Dhoni to come and bat and pay this 5-10,000 bucks. We are not here to waste our hard-earned money. We want our franchisee to win the matches, and whichever teams lift the trophy, if at all Mumbai wins or Chennai, for example, will be the first team to lift the 6th trophy. Nobody from behind is going to come and go to 6 trophies directly. Either Mumbai will touch it first or CSK. So our prayers are, why not CSK? We have a capable unit. We have an experienced coach. We have Dhoni. Worldwide, I don't think anybody in the whole world who is not following cricket also will not be Dhoni. That's my assumption. And
Very knowledgeable and very passionate Chennai fan, Indian fan. Thank you.
thank you, sir.